It took me over 20 years to learn the wisdom I'm about to share to you in less than 10 minutes. The best career opportunities are not always the ones with the highest paycheck. They are the ones that stretch you, challenge you, and expose you to a new level of thinking. Early in your career, your salary is not the real deal. Skill acquisition, in my opinion, is. Mastering high performance work ethics, negotiation, sales, resilience, and adaptation skills early will determine how much you earn later. If you reverse this and chase money first, you may wake up years later with work experience, lots of it, with no marketable skill. Don't be that uncle who has 20 years of experience in a field but no marketable skill. Experience doesn't equal expertise. Even a generator has experience making noise, but that doesn't mean it can power a whole city. Strong careers are built on relationships and not just resumes. Every person you meet is a potential door to a new opportunity. If you don't know how to build real connection, then start early. The key is to serve first, give more than you take, and the most important thing is to understand that networking is not just about collecting contact, but building relationships with the right people. Those who invest in their networks early build a career that feels effortless later. Remember, the man who shares his palm wine freely never drinks alone. In life, the more value you bring to others, the more doors open up for you. Trust me. You don't get promoted for working hard, you get promoted for making an impact. Doing your job well is just the baseline, it keeps you employed. But standing out requires differentiation. Understand how your company grows and align yourself with that vision and communicate the value you bring effectively. If you don't make yourself visible, don't be surprised when opportunities pass you by. No boss, no company, no industry is going to map out your plan or strategy for you. That's your job. Too many people wait for promotions or mentor or an external event to validate their career and their plans. Stop waiting. Define what you want early and map out the step and be relentless about how to make it happen. Remember, you are the CEO of your life incorporated. If you don't take charge today, someone else will use you to build their dreams. Technical skills open up the door for you, but character is what keeps you in the room. Skills like adaptability, resilience, leadership, and accountability, these are not just soft skills, they are the difference makers between those who thrive in the marketplace and those who play too. Master them and you won't just survive in your career or marketplace, you will own them. This took me years to figure out. If you think just doing the bare minimum will get you ahead of your job, you are playing small. Success in any career or workplace requires more than doing just the bare minimum. It requires personal leadership and an understanding of your company's growth strategy and actively positioning yourself as value-adding force to that strategy. If you don't understand how money moves in your industry, you will always be at the mercy of those who will or those who do. If you mismanage your time, money, health, or responsibility, you will lose them. It's not about working harder, but about managing what you have been given. The difference between the top 1% in any industry and any other person is they understand leverage of time, responsibility, relationships, and resources, period. If you don't manage your time, social media will manage it for you. And if you don't manage your money, hunger will teach you budgeting. You know, your greatest enemy isn't your boss, the economy, or competition. It's you. Self-doubt, procrastination, and perfectionism are all forms of self-sabotage. If you're waiting for the perfect time, you're delaying your own potential. The sooner you own your skill and put yourself out there, the faster you grow. You know, waiting for the perfect moment is like waiting for Nigeria's electricity to be stable before you start your business. You go wait tire. You know, starting small is not a cause, but staying small is a choice. Your life changes when you expand your vision. Thinking small limits you. But when you think beyond what you have now, when you think big, you are creating a reality that's bigger than yourself. Teams, partnership, and collaborations are all forms of accelerators. If you try to do everything by yourself, you are playing slow. Think about it. Think big, think big, think big. Thinking small doesn't serve you, neither does it serve the world. A paycheck is a starting point, not a destination. At some point, trading time for money becomes limiting. True wealth is built through ownership. That could be equity in the work you do now, or assets, or a purpose-driven work. If the job you do now cannot offer you equity, create one. You know what? The greatest wealth building tool isn't just about money, but an impact. Invest in purpose, not just in paycheck. And you are either actively designing your career today or passively accepting what you have been given. The difference is intentionality. If I could go back in time to give my 20-year-old self advice, I would tell him one thing, and that is, don't wait, start now. Your future self is watching. And again, I'd love to thank you for watching today. Please do subscribe, leave a comment, and share with your network. Thank you. As always, remember to make change happen for yourself, and I love you. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.